Hello there and welcome to a new episode of Greenberry's Garden. So this one is number 147. This is Buddha bambus. At least this is what they tell us. So let's have a look inside. This is from the garden planting store. This time I already added this. Okay. So this one says bamboo. Let me zoom in a bit. And after checking online, this seems to be genuine bamboo seed. So let me just get some out here. So I'm not going to plant all of them, but just a few. Okay. Going to put the other ones back inside the Ziploc bag to use later. Okay, now it's getting a bit more complicated. So let me just change the focus back again. Okay. So, whoop. Oh. Okay. Whoa, that's a bit problematic here. Okay. So this is a bamboo seed. So either it has been faked to perfection or it's just a real seed. And we just move them over here so that you can see it. What I'm doing now is I'm removing the outer part here. So that the only thing left, almost the only thing left is this seed, which looks like some rice, I think. So from the size, this is the size of a grain of rice. And this one seems to be very small. So you have to be careful not to damage it. Okay. Tiny. Let me grab another one. And I think you get the idea. Next one. So you can also use those directly and just stick it into soil. But this way it should be a bit, more successful. I don't know. You can really say this. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm trying to just use half of them. So for half of them, almost half of them, I'm going to use the original so I'm going to use the original seed where I didn't remove the outer coating here. So these are the ones. So it's not really half of them. Let me just take out another one, because there's still a lot in there. Okay. And now I've got 5 of them where I removed the outer layer, and I have 5 of them in the original unchanged, yes, whatever you gonna call it. Then I have prepared one small plastic pot filled with cocoa soil and cactus soil. So it's about 1/3 cactus soil, so which has all of these tiny little stones and whatever in here, and 2/3 are normal cocoa soil, so the normal soil I use. So you just make some space for them. And then, oh, going to put half of them in like that and the other half like that. I hope it's it's in the right direction. So then let's cover this with soil, some soil, not too deep, just a little bit. Should be very fluffy. Okay, there we go. Oh, looks like I forgot one. So, okay. That's number 147 again. We just remove this sheet of paper. And now I add water, and of course, as is normal with most of the seeds, you have to ensure that it never dries out, because then it might die very soon. So in addition to this, I'm creating a special kind of greenhouse here by using a larger Ziploc bag. Whoa, that was perfect, right? Okay. And you have to ensure that there is enough air inside. And I'm closing this completely. And this is the result for today. So let's see how this develops.